morning all of you. Carbonyl compound. In this we are going to discuss about Etorct reaction. Etorct reaction is an oxidation reaction of side chain derivative of benzene, nothing but toluene is oxidized followed by hydrolysis in the presence of chromyl chloride dissolved in carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride, acidic anhydride CH3CO twice O in presence of CrO3. It is oxidized to benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. This is your Etorct reaction. Now we are going to discuss both these oxidizing agent with toluene. What happens? Toluene molecular formula C6H5CH3. This is our toluene, methyl benzene. Toluene methyl benzene. When oxidized with the chromyl chloride, the structural formula, now we write two molecules of chromyl chloride because of 2H undergo reaction, CrO2Cl2. So actually Cr double bond O, here one chlorine, here one chlorine. This is CrO2Cl2. One more molecule, C double bond O, here one chlorine, here one chlorine. This is Cr. Chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2, chromium is in +6 oxidation state. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, +6 oxidation state. First gives an intermediate compound in which we know oxygen is more electronegative, therefore it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Oxygen becomes minus. To that minus, H plus is added. So after the bond shifting, chromium gets positively charged. This chromium is now directly added to carbon atom of toluene, like this. Here also oxygen is more electronegative. It pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Therefore, oxygen becomes minus. To that minus, H plus is added to this minus. Chromium becomes positively charged. This plus is now directly attached to this minus. Gives an intermediate compound, benzene ring C6H5. In this carbon we have one CH, to that CH. This bond is added to chromium Cr, which containing a double bond oxygen, here single bond OH, two chlorine atoms are attached. One more, Cr double bond O, here single bond OH, one chlorine, another chlorine. This is an intermediate compound which on hydrolysis. You know what is hydrolysis? Addition of water molecule in presence of mineral acid is called hydrolysis. Water molecule, we can write water molecule H2O, hydrogen becomes 1 plus, this hydrogen also becomes plus oxygen with 2 minus. Now to this minus, 1 H plus is added. To this minus, 1 H plus is added. Carbon lost its 2 electrons. That 2 electrons are given by oxygen, oxygen double bond. Now this oxygen with the double bond is added to this carbon atom. Our product is formed. Now I write the product C6H5. To this carbon, one oxygen is added, C double bond OH, nothing but our benzaldehyde common name benzaldehyde, IUPAC name phenyl, 1 carbon meth, ane, ale or al, methanol, plus loss of 2 molecules of, what is the product here? H is added to this chromium. Chromium chlorohydroxide. CrO2 H2Cl2. CrO2 H2Cl2. So, benzaldehyde is prepared by Yettoft reaction. In this, we are having one more oxidizing agent. Instead of using chromyl chloride in the solvent carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride, we can also use acetic anhydride in chromic oxide. That we are going to see one more Yettoft reaction. Same toluene C6 H5, here you have 1 CH, then 2 hydrogens I separated from the carbon atom, methyl carbon. 2 molecules of acetic anhydride, we know the molecular formula CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. 1 molecule of acetic anhydride. Another molecule of acetic anhydride, CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. In presence of chromic oxide, CrO3, chromium is in +6 oxidation state. How? CrO, oxygen oxidation state -2, chromium +6 mean when you cross the valency, that 2 is here, this 6 is there, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6 CrO3. What happens? 1 H plus and CH3 C double bond O, this is actually added with the minus, H minus. Now acetyl plus, removed as acetaldehyde. H minus along the bond and acetyl plus. This acetate minus is added to this carbon atom. So, 2 acetate ion now added to benzenic carbon gives intermediate compound C6H5, here you have CH, 2 1 carbon 1 acetate O, C double bond O, CH3. To the same carbon another acetate O, C double bond O, CH3. Undergo hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid H plus O2 minus. Like the above reaction, 1 H plus is added to this O minus, another H plus is added to this O minus, 2 molecules of acetic acid are removed, oxygen with 2 bonds now added to this carbon atom gives benzaldehyde. So, the product is C6H5, here 1 C double bond OH benzaldehyde, 1 molecule of acetic acid, another molecule of acetic acid, 2 molecules of CH3 C double bond OH. This is your benzaldehyde phenyl methanol, benzaldehyde phenyl methanol. So, this is Yettoft reaction. We used 2 oxidizing agent in this reaction. In 2 oxidizing agent, our product is benzaldehyde. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.